Hi everyone, Miss Dahlman and Milo here. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. Staying organized means that you have a lot more free time and more time for important tasks. This might seem like a lot of work, but just watch as Milo, hi, and his friend learn a valuable lesson about how staying organized gives you a lot more time. Enjoy!
Wow, Milo, we're almost home. I'm so excited.
Me too, Allison. I miss Earth dog bones.
What does our GPS say?
At the stop sign, turn right onto
No,
Windrow Drive.
this isn't
Then
right.
Turn left onto
No,
Windrow Drive.
no.
Turn left onto North Briar Ridge Circle.
No,
Then turn right onto
no,
Ridgepoint Court.
no.
Use the left
Milo,
lane to
that
make a
doesn't
U-turn
sound
at
right.
Ice Cream
Turn
Drive.
that off.
Then turn right onto North Briar Ridge Circle. The destination
I'm
is
trying to turn it off.
Milo, go get the map.
About that.
Milo, do you know where the map is?
It's somewhere in my room.
Somewhere? Well, then let's go get it.
Let me show you why. Houston, we have a problem.
This is your room?
My room is not messy. I just have everything on display.
In order to find the map, we need to organize your space. If you get and stay organized, you won't lose things in the future.
Allison, I don't know where to start.
Let's start with the trash. This pizza was on the floor.
Got it.
You can also throw away papers.
Cool. Got it.
Next, let's clean out your backpack. Ugh, never leave food in your backpack.
Yuck.
Put that in the kitchen, Milo. Next, let's work with containers. They can hold your smaller items.
Like rulers and pencils?
Yep, that's great, Milo. And your books, put those away. Hang up your clothes.
Allison, look what I found. I love this shirt.
Milo, that shirt is a little tiny. When you outgrow clothes, you should donate them for someone else to enjoy. After you organize, clean up your space. Thank you for vacuuming, Milo. A nice organized room.
There's the map!
Oh, Mercury, we took a wrong turn at Mars.
Now we know our way.
We found our way home.
Let's turn this spaceship around.
Milo, can I have a hug? Good boy. Milo, can I have a kiss? Milo, go spin. Good boy. Can I have a faster spin? Go spin. Good boy. Milo. Go speak. Go speak. Good boy. And one more hug. Good boy. Thanks, Milo. Staying organized is stellar. Make space for things that bring you joy and for the things that you truly need. Bye, everyone.